Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 2nd Year. My dear viewers and students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher, with another important essay that is my favorite hobby. First of all, outline. Number 1, description of hobby. Number 2, its significance in life. Number 3, introduction to my hobby. Number 4, disadvantages of idle life. Number 5, economic development due to hobbies. Number 6, merits of hobbies. Number 7, last but not the least, conclusion. Now the formal essay. A hobby a day keeps the doldrums away. Today, man lives in a world where struggle and effort are necessary for survival. He has to toil from dawn to dusk. Physical and mental exertions leave him utterly exhausted and enervated after the whole day's work. The daily routine of life rusts his talent and efficiency. The cultivation of a hobby and new forms of interest is a policy of first importance to a public man. In the 16th century, the term hobbyian had a meaning of small horse and pony. Later on, in the 17th century, this term was used in pejorative sense by suggesting a childish pursuit. A hobby is also called a pastime. Actually, a hobby is a regular activity alone for enjoyment, typically during one's leisure time, not professionally and not for pay. The streams of colorful dreams and events are hobbies. Hobbies were originally described as pursuits that others thought somewhat childish or trivial. However, as early as 1676, Sir Matthew Hale wrote, "Almost every person has some hobby or the other wherein he prides himself." Having a hobby or passion makes you an overall more attractive person. Hobby holds great importance in life of a person. Having a hobby that we enjoy brings us joy and enriches our lives. It gives us something fun to do during our leisure time. It helps us to cultivate something new in our life. The world is full of wonderful and exciting activities that we can explore and adopt as our own. It becomes a part of our life and captivates us in personal way. No man is happy without a hobby. Hence, having a hobby in life increases confidence and self-esteem of a person. Hobby is a way of getting comfort in life. Happy is the man who is living by his hobby. As we know that the daily routine of life rusts our talent and efficiency, time hangs heavy on our shoulders when we do not have anything special to do in our spare time. So, different people have different pastimes. By these activities, they get pleasure in their life, and a lot of depression is lost by this activity. Life without a hobby is a food without salt. The activity that I do regularly for enjoyment is gardening, and I love my hobby. I love and like beauty in all forms. Flowers symbolize both love and beauty. Hence, my favorite hobby is gardening. The nature's beauty is a gift that cultivates appreciation and gratitude. I have great and deep love for gardening. For me, the garden can incorporate both natural and man-made materials. I have a residential garden. My garden exhibits the structural enhancement including statuary, pergola, trellises, stumperies, dry creek beds, and fountains. Nature is the art of God. For me, my garden is a golden world. I have grown different kinds of flowers. These flowers give a sweet fragrance to my guests who have a feeling of freshness as they enter my home. These flowers keep me close to the nature. They keep me away from the impurities of heart and soul. They enrich my inner self. My hobby saves me from the tedium of life and serves as an oasis in the vast wilderness of life. It's the safety valve of middle life and solace of age. The flowers that I have grown in the lawn are a source of catharsis for me. Whenever I am cast down, I join the company of my friends, flowers, and share my sorrows and sufferings with them. In their company, I do not feel any communication gap. They listen to me patiently and keep my secrets to themselves. In joy or sadness, flowers are our constant friends. Sweet fragrance of different flowers of various hues adds sweetness to mind and heart. While working in my garden, not only the flowers look fascinating, but the small bunches of vegetable and fruit add to my soul also. The smell of the washed soil with loam is amazing and a source of relaxation for me in the natural environment. The earth loves in flowers. There are small beds of flowers in which I grow seasonal flowers. When the plants bear blossoms, I feel a thrill of joy in my mind and take pride in my creative labor. The soft, velvety green grass is highly fascinating and source of pleasure. Walking on it barefooted gives a soothing effect to soul and mind. The juicy pomegranates, pulping plums, fragrant mangoes, greenish grapes, and velvety red apples are of great attention in my garden. Their taste is marvelous and magical. The garden suggests that there might be a place where we can meet nature halfway. Some hobbies are profitable and income generating. These mainly include painting, writing, professional gaming, etc. Among them, my hobby is extremely profitable. Actually, by spending a little money on the development of nature, one can really get a lot of profit. Profit is the ignition system of our economic engine. By growing vegetable and fruit and selling them in the form of business is the best way to become economically strong. One can meet one's daily needs by this business. No profit is taken in pleasure when there is no comfort. Without a hobby, it is easy for life to become a routine. Work, TV, sleep, repeat. With routine come boredom, lethargy, and a loss of momentum. One way to end the monotony is to focus on a hobby that is both enjoyable and helps you pass the time in a meaningful way. Hence, a hobby is a way of getting relief. Hobbies give you something to look forward to outside of work. It allows you to become a multi-dimensional and more interesting person. A life without a hobby is a life without color. Without hobby, our social and intellectual circle is limited. Moreover, some people become fed up with the routine and go into some depression. In leisure time, they experience the negative forces, which is horrible and terrible. As it is said, an idle mind is a devil's workshop. My hobby is a healthy activity in this polluted age. My hobby gives me feelings of pleasure and freshness. I spend a few rupees on seeds and get a lot of comfort. Therefore, this hobby develops peace in my attitude. As we know, plants and flowers also have some relevance with human life. These flowers tell us that beauty is short-lived, and so is human life. I have come to know that it costs nothing to beautify the place where we live. We can wipe away ugliness and pollution from our society. Last but not the least, it is worth pointing out that we should never ride a hobby too hard. We should not indulge a hobby in such a manner as to convert it into a dull and cheerless task. It is regarded as mental recreation and source of beauty. Earth's poetry is never dead. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. Dear students, it would really be a matter of great pleasure for me if this humble effort of mine did something for you in your examination. If you have any question, if you have any problem, you may comment in the comment section below, and inshallah you will find me there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture with some new topic, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.